In this episode we see surfing with seaweed, jumping, a very steep road, action under the water, concrete surfing and a very nice hike.
Can't stop the bro. It's impossible. Can't stop the illest.
That spot seemed to be so perfect, but as soon as I was on the water, I realized it is a lot of seaweed in the water, so it was really hard to ride there. Zina did it much smarter than I did, because she decided to ride with a twin tip and spend a lot of time in the air. Yeah, Zina, that was awesome. But now let's get out of here and find a better spot to ride. If you are on an island for the first time, it's always an adventure to find some new spots. On Google Maps we found a very paradise-looking beach and decided to go there. But on the way to that beach we saw that road, and it was much steeper than expected. And then I said, no, that is much too steep for our camper van. And we had to turn around. Well, not every day you find a paradise beach. After we arrived at our campground for the night, we decided to go for a quick snorkeling tour. Well, not every day there is wind, and this is good, because then you have time for other activities. Surf skating is not just a good opportunity to explore cities, it is awesome to cruise just next to the ocean with a great view. Well, not every session is an extreme banger session. Sometimes it's just about cruising in a beautiful environment. Maybe you know that we love wind, this is for sure, but sometimes you are happy when there is no wind, when there is silence. And then we like to go for a hike, and this hike was insane. As our campground was on the top of the mountain, we went down into a canyon And I can tell you, the hike back up was very exhausting and a real challenge, but we enjoyed it. I hope you liked this episode. And here are some snippets from the whole trip. We had a lot of fun. And if you like that kind of content, I'd be super happy if you leave a comment and leave a like or share this video with friends. Love life and love nature.